So hello guys, let us achieve this beautiful makeup look. We achieved it with easier. So first of all, I use the comb just to trace the eyebrows. So I use the comb so that it will be easier for people who are struggling to do their eyebrows. You need to follow this way through the way I did. It was very easy guys. Anyone can do their eyebrows. So I just joined the lines together at the back, and then in front I went on to trace, just trying to follow the exact line of my eyebrows, but I just made sure that they are not very thick. We want a thin line because we are going to still work on them. Okay guys, so I'm not using too much force. You too, do not use too much force to achieve this. Okay, let us keep on filling the gaps. So you can use brown pencil if you don't have black. So on this particular chapter, I'm just using the brush, the normal old school brush. So if you don't have this brush guys, use your old toothbrush. Okay, so I went with the flat brush, the concealer. You see guys, I did not raise it, I just make it to lie direct on the skin, and I swiped it down following the shape that I want. Then I went with the beauty blender or the beauty sponge just to blend. Make sure you will not mess or touch where you are not supposed. So here I'm going with the foundation, just like what I told you. Put your flat brush to the skin and swipe it through. Okay, so I'm going to blend it just the way that I have told you that we are going to do. So guys, we do not have to struggle to do this. Okay, so I was just repeating until I achieved what I want to achieve. So makeup, it's repetition. Makeup is more of blending. Anything blend. So I blended the harsh line so that they can blend with the skin, and I went on to do the next eyebrows just to repeat so that you can see how I achieved it. You see, I just swiped. So we are going with the foundation on top of the eyebrow. So below we use concealer, on top we are going with the foundation. Okay, you see, I make it to sit there and I'm swiping it just like this. Swipe it. Okay, then I'm going with the blender just to remove the line of demarcation, just like that. So on makeup, it's blending. Makeup is blending. So right now I'm just drawing this first line like this. So you need your own eyebrow, what do we call it, wing liner. Okay, so you need that. If you don't have, you can use normal pencil because we are going to shade this. So don't worry about making the line neat or clean. We are going to shade it, we are going to blend it. So I was using this pencil brush and the purple. You need a very good eyeshadow for this, so I used the purple eyeshadow just to blend. This is a matte eyeshadow, so we are just going to mix together to blend the black so that it can be mixed, so that it can be purplish blackish, just like that. So watch how I'm going to do it. It was not difficult, I'm honest with you guys. It was very easy. You just need to repeat and to be careful not to smudge, be light, but keep repeating until you fade all those colors. Okay, so we just kept repeating until the beautiful color was coming out, guys, just like that. So guys, my name is Sandra Sibanda and I post makeup. I am a professional makeup artist. Should I say self-taught? I started by teaching myself before I registered for a small course in makeup. So all thanks to Rosina Sharon is the one that made me to have confidence through watching her videos until I started to pursue this makeup journey. So guys, I would like you to join me in this journey. If you are a makeup artist or if you are an aspiring makeup artist, let us subscribe to me. Let us grow together. Let us do this together. Let us pursue our dreams together. So subscribe, like, share and comment. Guys, if you have something to correct, you are welcome. If you have something to appreciate, you are welcome. So let us do this together. Guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video until the end. Okay, bye.